again, our real friend that. But right about now, I'm gonna bring you up on stage, live and direct, one of the biggest blood clot artists all over Europe. People, if you know Ziggi Recado, make some noise!
Yeah. Herbalize it 13 years, Ziggi Recado, DJ Carlito. I'm a ganja smoker to the building, put something there for the please now. Hey, Wuppertal, Germany, yeah. Pull it up, give it from the top one more time. Do we have any ganja smokers in Wuppertal? All my herbalists, give me some signal, please. Put something in there. Herbalize it 13th anniversary. It's a party tonight. Hear me now, Wuppertal people. Hey, yeah, me know all my herbalists say. Yo, I got my sense in your plantation in the hill. Me no wanna crack pipe, rest of man a swallow pill. Marijuana smoke is what's coming through my windowsill. And them fire iron on your bill. Hey, police fight. 8,000 gram of white last night. Then drop it on the course of a helicopter flight. Suspect Rasta and them neglect me rats. And red mouse with gun and flashlight. Hey, ganja smokes in the air. Manana. Corporate points have to disappear. Highest rates up here. Manana. I can't hear you. Wuppertal. Yo, ganja smokes in the air. Manana. Corporate points have to disappear. Highest rates up here. Up here. Even though Wuppertal. How are you feeling, people? All my fire people in the building who burn Babylon, give me some signal right now. Reggae music for soul. Let me know. Watch your left, watch your right, watch your front, check the rear. Cause I see vampires coming from everywhere. Them want suck your blood, all your flesh, them want tear. Lunchtime you will see them appear. They're intruding, trying to get closer to me and you. Disguised as friends and rolling in your crew. Know what you know, do what you do. And hate is a true Wuppertal. Backbiters, when no one them go near. Informers, tell the whole of them clear. Backbiters, when no one them go near. Informers, listen me now. Wuppertal, are you alive? Yeah. My name is Ziggi Recado from Amsterdam, where the weed is legal. This is Carlito on the ones and trees. Big up Dirty Stinking DJ Sultan and Herbalize It Sound on the anniversary. D1 Steph, Fire among the whole family. Spider, Supersonic. It's a party tonight, people. It's 13 years. Herbalize It, the biggest thing, the biggest sound out of Holland ever. You understand what I'm saying? So we came here to free up and have a good time. So everybody in the building, lively up yourself with me right now. Please. Okay? Kick it. Hey, but now Herbalize. Yeah, you Wuppertal. She takes me so far away, maybe really. I can't hear you, man. Wuppertal, are you alive? Anybody who loves ganja, give me some signal right now. Hey, Mary, she takes me so far away, maybe really makes my day. Me and her connect in a passionate way. She's there when I need her, I will never leave her. She takes me so far away, maybe really makes my day. Me and her connect in a passionate way. Hey, in a passionate way. Yeah. Where my ganja smokers are? You ready, people? Yes, you know me. Blaze it till me eyes turn. Ready to go get tired and say you and me. Burn. Come back again. Yo, if you love Herbalize It Sound, Ziggi Recado, Wuppertal, put something in there right now and wave. Where are my ganja smokers? Put them up, put them up, put them up. Everybody who loves sense, give me some signal, please. Hear me now, people. Put them up, put them up. Yeah, me now. Yo. I said we Blaze it till where I stand. Ready to go get the higher and say you and we burn. Babylon them couldn't find the earth. Now because we blaze it till where I stand. Ready to go get the higher and say you and we burn. And we're ready for all of me. I said they couldn't fight this. Yes, sir. Wuppertala, you still alive? Them boy a pretender. I think up like them a big man run, them and a money spender. Them a pretender. See them tough like this, but them some contender. Enough for them they living in a fairy tale lifestyle. Say them are the toughest and them living rugged and wild. Them get caught up in the eyes, now them fooling themselves. Listen to me, hey. Enough of them are poor with the riches and the wealth when them not even have no food on the shelf then. Urbanizing, murdering them, so them losing themselves. Listen to me, they say that they run the streets, but them not run nothing, they run the into deep. Them lost in the fantasy, and everybody see tell them that is cheap. Wuppertal, them boy a pretender. I been up like them a big man, run them and a money spender. Them a pretender. See them tough like this, but them soft. Wuppertal, it was nice to be over here and Herbalize its 13th birthday to celebrate this with you. Anybody who knows this one, sing it out with me, please. Ziggi Recado live and direct. Give me now. Yes, Wuppertal, yeah. Hey, girl, I really need to tell you. Come on, man. I can't hear you people. Somebody who knows this song, sing it with me, please. Why? Hey. I've been missing you, Wuppertal. Hey. Missing you, Wuppertal, baby. No. Hey, girl, I really need to tell you. Girl, I really. You alone, I give me full joy and happiness. Hey, I'm missing the way you make me feel nice. Missing the way I hold you at night. Missing you crazy when you're not around. I really need just a flow. Me and you could never love and want to baby grow. Like the thing you do and the special love you show. This you got to know. Hey, girl, I really need to tell you. Just can't live without your love and tenderness. Yo, girl, I really need to tell you this. You alone and give me full joy. Yeah, I'm missing the way. I said I'm missing the way. Missing you crazy when you're not around. I really need you, baby. Ziggi Recado was in the building. Wuppertal, I love you to the maximum.
Check. People, make some noise for Ziggi Recado. Make some noise. You clap. Make some. Wow. I got my friends and family here on stage. Right about now, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. And when we say 3 o'clock in the morning, we say party time, don't we? So we brought my friends all the way from Berlin. Supersonic people, make some noise for Supersonic!
Wow! Und ich habe extra ein orangenes T-Shirt angezogen. Alright. Holland, wir müssen erstmal noch mal alle ein Geburtstagsständchen für Herbalize singen, okay? Come on, the whole family right now. You clap, ich möchte euch alle hören für Herbalize right now. Play.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Come, Sam.
Happy birthday.
Herbalize.
Happy birthday to you.
Make some noise for Herbalize. Wow. Wow. And you see, when we say party, and when Herbalize it is calling for party, people, you know how we do it, right? Everybody put your drinks in there. Everybody put your bucket drinks in there. We are party now. Cheers. Hey. this sound. You club. And oh! How with it? You put your drinks on. And red. Anything, baby. Sing it, big up yourself, brother. But guess what? There with the flash.